Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate pronunciation training with Speechling, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Speechling website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in the required fields to complete your registration. Once logged in, you will arrive at the Speechling dashboard. Select the Practice tab from the navigation menu. Here, you can choose the language you wish to practice. Browse through the available content options, such as sentences, phrases, or words. Pick a specific lesson that interests you. Click on the lesson to open it and access the audio examples. Listen carefully to the pronunciation provided by native speakers. Once ready, use the microphone feature to record your own pronunciation. After recording, compare your pronunciation to the original audio. Evaluate your accuracy based on the feedback Speechling provides. For further practice, repeat the recording process as needed. To make your training automatic, explore the Settings menu. You can adjust the notification settings to receive reminders for practice sessions. Consider setting a daily or weekly goal for your training. Once the settings are adjusted, return to the dashboard. Make a habit of practicing regularly to improve your pronunciation skills. Celebrate your progress as you continue to refine your abilities. With these steps, you can effectively automate your pronunciation training using Speechling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.